Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add promotional code on Sephora. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Sephora account, which of course I have done right here. I'd like you to know that Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands, along with its own private label called the Sephora Collection. Now, this includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's step, which is how to add promotional code on Sephora. Now you can do it when you want to check out. So I'm just going to check this top corner and select any product that I want to buy. Let's say skincare. I'm going to click on the skincare tab so that I can shop any skincare products. And from there, I'm just going to show you how you can add your promotional code. So I'm going to click on this, The Ordinary. It's going to take me to the product details page. So I'm scrolling all the way down and I'm going to click on Add to Basket. Now I'm going to click on Checkout Shipped Items. Click on that button again, Checkout Shipped Items. So over here, you can just add your shipping address, add a gift message you want to, payment method, review and place your order, and head over here to the order summary page. So here where you have add promo or reward code, click on that and add your promo code. All right, so add your promo code, and after adding your promo code, just go ahead and proceed to place your order, and you're gonna be able to place your order using at a discounted rate based on the promo code or based on the offer in the promo code that you entered. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can add promotional code on Sephora. Now you can go watch this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.